So I think it's important to note what silence does in a workplace or when you're around people, because silence does make people insecure. Silence makes people afraid too, because it gives them all the space in the world to guess about who you are, because you don't tell them, so they get to make it up. They get to make it up by your actions based on their own experiences. So whatever they've experienced in life, whatever silence means to them, you are representing that. And most people, silence means rejection. That doesn't feel good. And of course, people are going to mean mug you. So if you want to fix that, you need to start opening up. You need to start talking about things. And I'm not talking about how you need to talk about your deepest, darkest traumas or anything like that, but talking about the regular things that you do on a daily basis at work could be a great starting point. Just open up a little bit. Don't mean mug people. You give people ideas about who you are and you let them write a story for you.